Hello glam babes, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time stopping by, you're welcome honey, you're welcome today, you're welcome darling. So in today's video, I'll be transforming this beautiful model here. I'll be doing a nice birthday outing makeup look, birthday dinner night makeup look for her. So stay tuned if you want to see the makeup look which I'm gonna transform her into. I just applied the makeup magnesia so that her makeup can last all night long. So right now I'm just going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 355. If I miss the shade, I'm gonna list it down in the description box, so make sure you check out the description box for more details. And yeah, as you can already tell, I really put a generous amount of that foundation because from the beginning you could see that she has acne and dark spots, so we need to cover all of that up. So yeah, they'll be picking out and spoiling our makeup. Okay, this was so funny to her. I don't know why she was so sensitive right there. Well, right now I'm just going in with my concealer. I'm using that to conceal her face, highlight her face in her T-zone area, as you can see. So you want to ensure that you blend in that concealer properly and nicely so it goes everywhere where you want it to be and it looks smooth. And yeah, moving on, I'm using my banana powder. I'm just using that to set the concealer, as you can see. So I just start by setting that those areas, pressing in that powder to really go into the skin so it doesn't break, and defining her jawline area with that same powder. So right now I'm going in with that shade right there. I'll be using that to contour her face, to give her face some definition. Right now I'm going straight into her eyebrows. I'm just going to fast forward through this process because I have a detailed eyebrow tutorial here on my channel, so make sure you check that out. Using my Elegant Pro concealer, I'm just going to be cleaning up her brows, as you can see. Right now I'm just dotting away I'm just setting the concealer. Oh wow. Right now you guys, I'm just going back and dusting away that excess powder which I applied on her jawline area, as you can already tell. Right now you guys, I'm just going in with my eyeshadow. I'm just using that reddish orangey shade right there and applying that on her crease area and making sure I blend that in properly into her skin to avoid any harsh lines. Further, I'm going in with my Elegant Pro concealer and giving her a nice full cup crease. You want to take your time while doing this. Don't rush the process, like the end result won't be good at all. So make sure you take your time and do this nicely and properly like you see me do. That's done. Right now I'm gonna apply my shimmery eyeshadow. Well, I tried using that brush, you guys. It wasn't doing the thing for me, so I had to use my finger, as you can tell. So don't ask yourself questions. That's the reason why. Your finger can do the job better at times than your brush. Moving on, I'm using my liquid liner. I'm just using that to give her a nice semi wing liner. Wow. You guys, ensure you stay tuned to the end of this video to see the finished look. Okay, it's gonna be impeccable, as we say in French. I'm just popping her some lashes. So right now I'm just going back on the wing liner, which I did previously. I'm just like lining the top part of the wing and covering up that eyelash band. You know that eyelash band when you apply your lashes, right? So always ensure that you apply a liquid liner or any liner of any sort, just to cover up that lash band, because it doesn't look nice, doesn't look good when it isn't covered up. As you can see, I'm really taking my time with this. You want to take your time to do this. Don't hurry, okay? Right now, I'm gonna move on by dusting away all the excess powder which I applied under her eye to like catch up all the fallouts from the eyelash. Eyeshadow, I meant to say. I'm just applying some highlighter on her brow bone area. Right now I'm just setting all of her face to make that makeup, like, I don't know the word, okay? I'm just setting her face, lining her lips with, I don't know the name of that pencil, but I'll list it down in the description box. Right now I'm just applying some lipstick, some liquid lipstick. Going in with highlighter. You can't go wrong with highlighter, you guys. This is like at the touch finale of every makeup, okay? It like brings your makeup to a whole nother level, in case you did not know. And in case you forgot, we moved from this to this. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that impeccable? Oh, you guys, wow, just wow. if you want to be transformed, yeah, make sure you check in my description box, check my contact details. I'm gonna leave my contact details and my email address, so you can order your booking, you can place your bookings for your makeup. I do birthday, I do bridal, I do dinner date. It depends on you, sweetheart. So inbox me if you want any makeup transformation. And yeah, you guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and most especially subscribe to this YouTube channel. And until then, I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.